Nike Sportswear continues to honor the iconic Dunk Low as it marks its 40th anniversary, spotlighting timeless color blocking techniques that have defined the silhouette since its 1985 debut. Just in time for the summer season, a new women's exclusive iteration of Peter Moore's legendary design has surfaced, dressed in a clean white and thunder blue colorway. The upper showcase is a crisp white leather base that allows the deep, navy-like thunder blue overlays to take center stage. This rich shade wraps around the forefoot, eyestays, heel, and signature swoosh, delivering a bold contrast and a sense of heritage styling. Underfoot, the same thunder blue hue continues onto the rubber outsole, offering both aesthetic cohesion and reliable traction. This release nods to decades of dunk heritage while offering a fresh take for a new generation. Expect the pair to launch quietly in the coming weeks through Nike.com and select retailers, making it a must-watch drop this season.